Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pie chart on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart on your Google Sheet, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just select the data, you just need to create a pie chart. Then click on the insert option on the top, and now you will see an option called chart. Click on the chart option, and now you just want to change the on the side you can see option called setup. Just change the column chart and just scroll down, and here you just need to insert the pie chart. Just scroll down to the bottom section. You can see there is a different type of pie chart here on the bottom section. This pie and this pie and this pie. So it's actually suggesting my some chart, but I just doing this. So you can just change it by, you can just first of all you're just going to resize the chart here, and just going to change the chart style like 3D if you just need it. And if you want to change the color, click on the color section, and just you can just change the color also like this, clicking here, and you can just change which color you just need it like this. And also distance from the center you can just change like if you just need like a 3D model like this. And this is, you can see the pie chart style and everything has been on the side-by-side setup and customization option. You can just use this and you can just change the data. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.